when the night falls. The stars at night, I close my eyes, you by my side. And every whisper, in every dream, you are the light inside of me. With you I fly beyond the skies. No more tears, no say goodbyes. Hold my hand, don't let me go. In your love I found my home. Through every storm, through endless time, your heart beats always close to mine. No distance far, no road too long. With you my love, I'm always strong. The light falls and stars shine bright. I close my eyes, you're by mine. And every whisper, in every dream, you are right. With you I fly beyond the skies. No more tears, no say goodbyes. Hold my hand, don't let me go. In your love I found my home. With you I fly beyond the skies. No more tears, no say goodbyes. Hold my hand, don't let me go. In your love I found my home. Your heart beats always close to mine. No distance far, no road too long. With you my love, I'm always strong. Through every storm, through endless time, your heart beats always close to mine. No distance far, no road too long. With you my love, I'm always strong. Through every storm, through endless time, your heart beats always close to mine. No distance far, no road too long. With you my love, I'm always strong. Through every storm, through endless time, your heart beats always close to mine. No heart beats always close to mine. No distance far, no road to mine. Now every storm through endless time, your heart beats always close to mine. No distance far, no road too long. With you my love, I'm always strong. Every heartbeat sings your name. Love like ours will never fade. Through the dark, through the light, you're my day, you're my night. So take my heart, it's yours to keep. With you my love, I'm lost in deep. No more fears, no more pain, just you and me.